Hey everyone, it's Tom Kratz and I'm out here for a little walk in the neighborhood, and I just wanted to talk to you about this. I think it's really important. Yesterday someone asked us a great question. They said, is Kitchener a great place to invest in real estate? And we started having a discussion in our office just about all the small little details about a community, because we've all been taught that to invest in real estate, the details of the community are more important than the national details of a country. So for example, what's the population growth of that area, and what are the jobs, and all the fundamentals of that area. And that is a great discussion. It's an important discussion to have when you're investing in real estate. We don't dismiss that at all. But during the course of that discussion, it kind of hit me that, this gentleman's thinking about investing in real estate, and he might buy a property this year. He might, who knows, he might take 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years. And that's what's got me worried, because we're in an environment where the big picture, the big economic picture is destroying people's wealth. Anyone who's saving money in the bank, if there are such people anymore saving money on a regular basis, and anyone who's depending on their income to increase their wealth, they're being left behind. Income levels are not keeping up with hard asset prices, and cash in the bank is becoming worth less every year. It's becoming worth less and less every year because of low interest rates. More money is coming into circulation. It's making your savings worth less. And if you don't believe me, think of the money that you have in the bank today and how much hard assets it can buy, and let's use real estate as an example, compared to hard assets last year or 5 years ago. So money in the bank savings is becoming worth less. The rules of the game have changed over the last few years, and it's affecting everybody. So my biggest fear to this particular gentleman was not so much that he wasn't looking at the right information. He was totally looking at the right information in Kitchener and where to buy, and he wanted a specialist in the area. It's all completely right questions that he was asking. My fear is that he's maybe not seeing the big picture, and that he has to act now. This is our belief and our opinion, because we believe low interest rates are here for much longer than anyone is willing to admit. And the middle class is being destroyed because of it. The people who own hard assets in this type of world, their net worth is going up. And those who don't have any, their net worth is going down every year. So this guy's under the clock for his own protection. So Nick and I both believe this, and maybe this is a wrong way to operate, but we want him to buy property out of fear that if he doesn't, he's going to be, his wealth won't keep up with the way the world is going right now. Hard assets are continue to get priced higher in an area of low interest rates. So this doesn't mean that he has or anyone should buy properties that are speculative properties, negative cash flow, bad properties. You still have to find a good cash flowing property. But we feel it's urgent now to get some of your net worth out of cash or money in the bank and into hard assets if you have any chance at protecting your wealth in a low interest rate environment where central banks clearly, and they kind of admit this, that they don't know what they're doing, that this is all an experiment, and it's destroying people's net worth. So although we were having this discussion about all the right things, population growth and income levels and transportation routes, all the standard stuff that you want in an area before you buy and you want to analyze it, the big picture is almost more important, because money is becoming worth less every year. So your savings and your income is not keeping up with it. Hard assets are going up faster. It's important to get some percentage of your net worth out of whatever it's in now, in our opinion, into hard assets. Otherwise, you are going to be left behind. So something to think about. Until next time, your life, your terms.